Welcome to Unpack It. I'm your host, Dave, and today we are unboxing the Elgato Wave Panels. Let's check it out. So, you finally decided to become a streamer / content creator. You upload your first few clips, but you realize something's off. The audio isn't as good as you want it to be, or there's a certain echo to it. Well, today, I have something that can help with that. We are unboxing the Elgato Wave Panels. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see what's in this bad boy. All right, let's see. Ooh, how's packaging looking? So far, so good. Oh, on the stickers, you can see it is labeled frames. So that's really handy, so you know what you're doing. 2 sets of frames. So we here have some clips there too, and mounting with both adhesive stickers and screws. Little quick guide to tell you how to do it. We don't need that. Here is the foam. Beautiful, love it. Love the little wave edges design. Very aesthetic. All right, so now let's check out the foam. And I actually didn't notice this at first, but there's actually different designs on them. So each set has 6 panels, 2 designs, 3 of each. And you are a content creator, be creative. You can mix and match different designs, whatever your heart desires. A lot of freedom of design. And what I like about this, it actually comes with 2 different materials. The top foam is a low density ripple for those highs, and the bottom is a high density foam for the mid to low. And if you need some inspiration for your design, Elgato has some for you here. My favorite is probably the typical honeycomb, but you know, be free, be style. You're an artist, remember that. And to show you my artistic design, we're gonna put it on the wall behind me right here. And you're gonna see what I get to do. Plus, we'll give you a little sound test to see how well it does. All right, so those were the foams. Now let's move on to assembling some frames. So in this package, we have some frames, 6 easy clip frames come into each box. Then here we have the easy clip connectors. There's about 10 of these in each set. Yeah, we only need 1 for now. And then mounting. So it comes with 12 screws and anchors. So if you have your own place, feel free to use the screws. But if you're in the renting situation, it comes with 12 adhesive stickers, and those stickers are gonna be your best friend today. And yeah, let's just assemble this. I already started here, I got a little too excited. But yeah, let's just make a simple hexagon. It's actually pretty easy to assemble, I'm not gonna lie. There. To finish it. Oh, there, boom, done. All right, so I built another one, and we're gonna test how easy the easy clip connector is. Here is the easy clip connector. Just put 2 of them together like so. Wow. Yep. All right, like they said, easy clip, that wasn't lying. It was easy to set up, and yeah, you can just put it on the wall. You can make different designs with this. As you can see, you can put it basically anywhere. We have here the adhesive stickers, and we're just gonna assemble it. Let's go. How should I do this? What? I figured it out. Blue side up and just like lengthwise, but don't cover this part. Wait, there's only 12 of these. I just remembered, like I said before, there are only 12 of these. See, this is what not to do. Don't do what I did. So learn from my mistake and only put 2. Okay, so I actually was wrong again. You put the stickies on side like inwards, like vertically, and you only need 2 of them per hexagon. And yeah, keep the like plastic thing on before, like right before you put it on the wall. That's when you take it off. Anyways, let's move on to the actual installation. Now that we stickied the frames properly, I'm just gonna put it on. And you have the holes here, and boom, pretty simple. All right, as you can see from behind me, my setup is complete. I think it looks gorgeous. You can see there's a play button there. You know, if you guys hit the subscribe button, we can get a real one. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
All right, let's do a sound test.
This is what I sound like before installation. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And this is after. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. I don't know about you, but I noticed a difference in the small room. Little less echoey and quite more clear. And final thoughts. I usually don't say this, but in this scenario only, size does matter. If you're in a small room, 6 is definitely enough. But if you're in if your setup's in the living room or somewhere, maybe get 2 sets. I actually had. But yeah, overall, aesthetically, I think it looks gorgeous. I love the little lines and designs. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah, guys, that's basically it for me. Make sure you like and subscribe and let us know in the comments below what you want me to unbox next. See you guys next time. Peace.